Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to bead this royal necklace. Look at how stunning and gorgeous this piece of work is. Look at how rich and royal this necklace is looking. It's absolutely stunning. I have already beaded the matching earrings for this necklace. If you have seen my previous video, on that one I have already shared how to bead this matching earrings, which will perfectly go with this royal necklace. So let's dive into the material for this necklace. For this necklace, we will be needing 4 mm crystal bicons, 4 mm pearls, and 11 seed beads. So let's crack on. This is my stop bead, and I have picked up 2 bicons and 2 pearls, as you can see over here. So pass your needle through all 4 beads and tie it into a secure knot. Okay, and come out of this bicon over here. So now pick up 2 11-0. Make sure you come out of this bicon over here, okay, and pick up 2 11-0s, 2 bicons, and 1 pearl, and pass your needle through this pearl over here. So it will be modified right angle weave. Okay, and now skip this 2 11-0s and insert your needle through this bicon. So make sure to skip this 2 11-0 and insert your needle into this bicon over here. Now pick up 2 11-0s, 1 bicon and 2 pearl, and insert your needle. Because I'm coming out of this bicon over here, so I will insert my needle into the next bicon, like so. Alright, and skip the 2 11-0s that we have added and insert your needle into the bicon, like so. So skip the 2 11-0s and insert your needle into the bicon. Now pick up 2 11-0s, 2 bicon and 1 pearl, and insert your needle into this pearl over here. Okay, make sure that you are coming out of this bicon over here and you are inserting your needle into the pearl, like so, and skip the 2 11-0s and insert your needle through this bicon over here. So I'll show you one more time. Now I have picked up 2 11-0s, 1 bicon and 2 pearls. Okay, insert your needle through this bicon, skip the 2 11-0 and insert your needle through this bicon over here. Okay, so like so, keep on going until you reach the desired length of your necklace, and I will meet you there. Keep in mind, okay, so one thing to keep in mind when you reach the desired length of your necklace is that you have to finish the other end like you begin over here. So what I'm trying to say is that, as you can see, that this end and this end, both the end has the same finish. Okay, so the start and the end. So what will that do is that you will have the proper finish on your necklace. Once you reach the desired length of your necklace, come to this pearl over here. So So insert your needle into this bicon and to this pearl over here, and pick up a pearl and 2 bicons. Insert your needle on the opposite direction of this pearl that you are coming out of. So insert your needle like so. So you will notice that it has created unit over here. Now pick up 111 and insert your needle into this pearl over here. Pull your thread and now pick up 2 bicons and insert your needle into this pearl and the pearl that you are coming out of. Okay, so you have to insert your needle diagonally. So pick up 2 bicons, insert your needle through this pearl, skip the 11 that you have added and go through this pearl over here. Pull your thread, and that's how our one unit has been formed. Okay, let me show you one more time. Pick up 111, insert your needle through this pearl over here, pick up a pearl and 1 bicon, insert your needle into this pearl, into this bicon and pearl over here. Now pick up 11 and insert your needle through this pearl over here. Pick up 2 bicons and insert through this pearl and the pearl over here. Make sure to skip the 11 in between. Pick up 11 and insert through this pearl over here. Now pick up a pearl and a bicon and insert your needle through this bicon and the pearl. Skip the middle 11. Okay, pull the thread. So this is how you have to keep on going until you reach at this point, over here, and I will see you there. Once you reach at this point, insert your needle back through this bicon over here and through this one, and pick up 111 and insert your needle through the next bicon like so. Pick up 111 and insert your needle through the next bicon like so. You will notice that on the other side we have added 2 11s, but on this side we are adding only 1 11. That is because we want this curve that you see over here for our necklace, this curve. Okay, so that's why we are not adding 2 11s. We are only adding 1 11, which will then end up having the curve that we want for our necklace. So keep on adding 1 11 in between the bicons and reach at this point over here, and I will see you there. Okay, so I'm done adding the 11s on the other side of my necklace, and as I said, you can see that it has started a curving line around the neck. Okay, the base for the necklace is ready, as you can see over here. Now we have to embellish our neck piece, which is this bit. As you can see that we have these crisscross lines on top part of our necklace using the 11 seed beads. Once you reach at this point over here, pick up one 11 and pass into this this bicone over here. Pull your thread nice and tight and pick up one 11 pass into this corner as well. Okay, and insert your needle through this bicone and two 11 you are coming out of this 211 over here and pick up 511 and insert your needle diagonally through this 111 in between these two pearls, like so. Pick up 511 and insert through this 11 over here. Pick up 511 and insert through this middle 11 over here. Now pick up 511 and insert your needle through this 211 over here. So like this, keep on adding. So like this, keep on adding 11 all the way till here, and I will meet you there. I'm done adding the 11 from the one end. Now from the one side, now take your needle till this point over here, come out of this 11 pick up 511 and insert your needle into this middle 11 and pull your thread up, pick up 511 and now insert your needle into this 211 over here, pull your thread, pick up 511 and insert your needle through this middle 11 over here, pull your thread up, and you see your first diamond pattern has formed. So you have to keep on continue like this until you reach at this point, and I will meet you there. All right, so once you done adding the embellishment on our neck piece, now our necklace is almost done. Now we have to add this extender pieces on our neckline. So for that, pick up bicone 11 bicone 11 and bicone, insert through this 11 over here and reach at this point. So come out of this bicone on top in the middle one. Now pick up 11 bicone 11 bicone 11 bicone and 11 and insert your needle on through this opposite side of this bicone over here. Pass your needle upward through this 11 bicone 11 and through this bicone like so. This is how you add extension to your neck piece. Please repeat this process. Here if you see, here I have added bicone and pearl both. If you wish to, you can add only bicone, or if you wish to have the pattern like this I have over here, you can have the mix of bicone and pearl as well. So I hope you have enjoyed beading this gorgeous Victorian piece with me. I'll see you in my next